With our fall 2013 release, Arena is adding new product offerings that expand the scope of the Arena PLM solution beyond BOM control. You'll use Arena projects to track work as you develop and build products, with a schedule linked directly to the assemblies, components, and changes where work needs to be done. Your project will move through phases you create. As all users, even your suppliers, mark the status of their assignments, instantly updating everyone involved on the shared schedule. And you'll track project metrics with easy-to-build reports that play nice with other programs, giving you a bird's-eye view of project efficiency and trouble spots, all in the cloud. With Arena Demand, you'll get a clear picture of exact material demands across your product lines, based on manufacturing projections up to a year out. You'll know what you're spending, where you're spending it, and how you could spend it better, taking the guesswork out of negotiations with your suppliers to get their best price every time. Want more? With our new API, you'll connect Arena PLM to other systems, send costs from your ERP system to your workspace automatically, or keep your bill of materials up to date from your CAD system. And one more new product this release, Arena Exchange. You'll share information from any system up and down your supply chain. With the available collaboration feature, your suppliers will discuss and approve changes, quality concerns, design reviews, and more in real time. So welcome to the PLM sweet spot in the cloud, Arena PLM.
What's up guys, this is Cody here, and I know you guys love Pokemon Go, and I know you guys love Pokemon Go hacks. So of course in this video, I'm going to be showing you a really awesome hack. This is basically a map hack that is going to give you all of the Pokemon. It's going to reveal where every single Pokemon is in your area. So you can basically just go directly to them to capture them. So I stumbled across this and I just thought this is awesome. I have to share it with you guys. So that's of course exactly what I'm going to be doing. I do want to mention that I am giving away a lot of $10 iTunes gift cards. So if you guys want to be a part of that and you want to enter the giveaway, there's only two things you have to do. One is follow me on Instagram and the other is follow me on Twitter, because I'm giving some gift cards away on Instagram and I'm also giving some away on Twitter. So you guys will get more information on that if you're following me on the social media. Of course, I'll put both those links in the description below. All right, so at this point, let's go ahead and jump into this. Now, this does take a little bit of work, but it's really not that bad at all. You just got to download a few things. This is a whole lot easier than downloading and installing that cracked IPA that I showed in a previous video. So just bear with me here for a second, and let's go ahead and get through this. So the first thing that you want to do here is download Python. So I'll put a link in the description below right here, and all you want to do is just click on Download Python right here. So we'll tap on that. And then it's going to downloads real quick. It's only 23 megs. And then once that's done, we're going to want to install it. All right, so now it's downloaded here. So we'll click the little arrow and click open, and then we should be able to install it right here. All right, so just go through this little process and continue through all of this and install Python. And installing Python will just take a couple of minutes. It won't take too long at all. And then once it's done, we'll hop on to the next step. All right, so now that's successfully installed, so we can just click close. And now the next thing you want to do is download pip, which is basically a package manager for Python extensions. Now this is really simple. You're just going to go to the link that I put in the description below down here, and it's going to bring you to this link. So what you want to do is just go to this link right here that says get-pip.py, and then right click on it, and then you're going to want to save link as. So you want to save this link as get-pip.py. Just like that. So you'll see that it's going to save this as a format for a Python script. So we want to save this, and we're just going to save it to our desktop so we have easy access. So now it should be on your desktop. So what you want to do is just right click on it and then open with and then Python launcher. So just do the newest one, which is the one we just downloaded and installed, which is 3.5.2. And then we'll open that up and it should go ahead and install successfully. So you'll see that it says process completed once the process has been completed. So it's done installing at this point. So now we can basically close out of all of this. And we'll minimize the terminal window for now. So now what we want to do is create a Pokemon Club account, as you can see right here. So you can do that right here. So we're just going to right click on it and open it up in a new tab. And this should bring you to this page right here. So this is where you're going to want to sign up. Very self-explanatory how to do it. You just enter your birthday, put in your country, create your account, and then verify your email. So at that point, you should be good. All you want to do is make sure that you remember your account name as well as your password. So once you're done creating an account, which I've actually already done, you want to go back here and download the tool. So you're going to go to GitHub in order to do that. So we're going to right click on this and then go to open link in new tab. And it'll bring us right here to this. So what you want to do is just click on clone or download. So this big green button right here, and then you'll have two options, open in desktop or download zip. So you want to download the zip. So of course we're going to want to unzip this. So we're going to show this in the Finder. And then we can just basically double click on this or unzip it with whatever tool that you have on your computer. So if you don't have one or if it's not unzipping, then you can download WinZip. So I'll put a link in the description below for that as well if you're on a Windows computer. So now we have this unzipped. So we want to put this on our desktop just for easy use. So we're just going to click and drag it over and drop it on our desktop here. So now we have Pokemon Go and we have the getpip.py, which we don't really need anymore. So now what we want to do is open up Terminal once we have the Pokemon Go -map -master folder on our desktop. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. And we'll go ahead and minimize this for now. And what you want to do is type in CD, which means change directory. And then we're going to go to this directory. So basically what we want to do is just drag this onto our terminal window. So you can see it's put in a path right there. So just click on it, hit enter, and now you can see we're actually in that directory in our terminal. So you'll see if we list it, then we can see everything that's in there. So now we need to type in a command. So what we want to do is go back to this post and we're going to put in this command right here. So just copy it and then go to your terminal here and then paste it in just like that. So pip space install space -r space requirements.txt. Hit enter and it should go ahead and go through all of this. Now this actually went a whole lot quicker because I've already done this just to make sure that it was working and everything, but it'll go through a little process and it will install everything and set everything up. So just let it entirely complete before you go to the next step. So once you get a command prompt again, so you're right here at this point, after this is all done, then you're going to want to go back to this page and you're going to want to copy this. Now make sure you don't copy a space afterwards because it could just basically enter in once you paste it. So you want to go into your terminal and you want to paste this in. So there are three things that you want to change in this command. One is going to be some location, because this has to be a location that you're going to look for. And this right here is going to be your password, and this is going to be your user ID for the Pokemon Go Club account. So you can see the U stands for username, the P stands for password, so right here, and then L stands for location. So the 10 actually stands for how many steps you want it to take. So basically, how far around your circumference do you want this tool to look for Pokemon? So right now we're just going to leave it at 10 because that's quite a bit actually. And then for the location, we're going to go ahead and put Union Square, San Francisco. Now, of course, you can put your own whatever location that you're actually nearby. You can even use GPS coordinates, which I'll do here in just a second as well, just to show you that it works. Now, at this point, you want to put in your password and username right here. Of course, I'm going to have to blur this out for you guys so you don't see my username and password. So at this point, it should work. It's going to log into our account and look at Union Square in San Francisco at a 10-step distance. So the more steps, the further, basically, it's going to look, and it's going to reveal every single Pokemon within that range. So we're going to go ahead and hit enter here, and you'll see that it's going to start doing its thing. I'll probably have to blur this out so you can't actually see it, but again, you'll be able to see it on your screen and know that it's working. So you can see here at the bottom that it's searching for Pokemon in different locations. So these are all locations in that particular Union Square, San Francisco location. So now what you want to do is actually hit a URL in your browser. So that URL is very simple. It is localhost colon 5000. So we're just going to go over here, paste that in. Again, localhost colon 5000. Hit enter, and you should get this right here. And you'll see all the Pokemon in that area. So you can see if we mouse over it, we can click on it, and it's going to tell us exactly what that Pokemon is. So it's a Bulbasaur, and you can click on it and go to directly into the Pokedex if you want to learn more about that particular Pokemon. You can see that it's going to disappear at this time. This is military time. Or you can see that it's going to disappear in about 14 minutes. Now, if you're in that location, you can actually click on Get Directions, and it's going to take you directly to that Pokemon. So you can see if we click on this one, this is Sandshrew, and that one's going to be heading out in less than 5 minutes. And we can click over, let's see what this one is, Arcanine. Sorry if I butcher any of these names, but you can see that one's going to head out in 8 minutes and 9 seconds. So this is actually pretty cool if you ask me. I mean, you can literally see all the Pokemon in that particular area. And again, if you want to, you can change the steps, which basically means it's going to search for a wider range and find more Pokemon in a wider distance. Now, like I said, I just put in Union Square in San Francisco because I didn't want to put my actual location so you guys don't like come beat on my door and like ask me for jailbreaks and stuff. So if you guys want to look in your particular location or nearby locations, which you probably do, then what you want to do is go to this website, which is mygeoposition.com. Just type in the address that you are at right here and then calculate geodata. What that's going to do is give you your latitude and longitude, and that's what you're going to want to enter in that sum location. So let's just use this default one that it's giving us right here. So we'll use this for latitude. So we're going to go back up here. And to stop this, all you have to do is hit Control-C. And that's going to stop that process because it's basically just a loop. And it'll continue to run and it'll continue to update in the background. So now what we want to do is put that same command back in, except we're going to put in our latitude and longitude. And it looks like I got some extra characters there, so we're gonna back that out. Okay, so now we'll hit enter. And again, this is blurred out, but it is gonna look in those particular locations. So now what we see when we go to our URL right here, it should be in this exact vicinity. So we should see Downing Street and we should see Horse Guard Road. So we're gonna click right here and we're gonna hit enter. And you can see there is Downing Street and there's Horse Guards Parade. So I assume Horse Guard Road is right there. So you can see all the Pokemon in this area as well. You can see this was gonna head out in 3 minutes and 27 seconds. So this is a pretty cool hack if you ask me. The ability to hack the map and actually see the Pokemon and exactly where they are and when they're going to disappear is just pretty awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any issues whatsoever, be sure to leave me a comment in the comments below. I'll try to help you guys out as much as I can. I didn't have any issues whatsoever installing this and doing any of this, so hopefully it's pretty self-explanatory and I walked you through it pretty granularly so you guys can follow along as well. Again, if you guys want to enter in the giveaway for the iTunes gift cards, be sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll put a link in the description below. I have a giveaway going on right now on Instagram. So if you guys want to follow me there, then you can enter in that as it's going right now. Of course, there'll be more, as well as on Twitter, which I'm thinking about doing a giveaway as of tomorrow. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, make sure you hit that like button. I would really appreciate it. Of course, if you guys want to stay up to date with everything Apple, as well as everything Jailbreak and everything Pokemon Go Hack, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace!